It used to be not so long ago, motorcycle riders were the perpetrators of robberies on the road or hit jobs on victims aboard their vehicles. Since last week, though, two motorcycle taxi riders making their living on their wheels lost their lives to passengers they picked up on the road. The first one on July 9 held up and shot by the guy who booked him for a ride. And on Tuesday, Juan Fabio Norberte Jr. was fatally stabbed by his passenger upon reaching his destination, as our Ryan Lesigas reports.
The family of motorcycle taxi rider Fabian Norberte Jr. is mourning after he was killed by his passenger earlier this week in Caloocan City. His death left behind his 3-year-old child who has a disability. The mother of the 43-year-old motorcycle rider could not hold back her tears. The family's grief could be felt even outside their home.
Lahat ng paggastos, siya yung sumusuporta. Paano na yung pag-aaral ng anak niya na may kapansanan? Kami, matanda na kami, siya yung inaasahan namin na ganyan, siya yung maglilibing sa amin, siya yung mag-ano sa amin.
The victim was the family's breadwinner.
Tatanggapin ko pang nagkasakit ng grabe yung anak ko eh. Kasakit na sana siya. Wag lang naman na siya lang yung tikitil sa buhay ng anak ko.
The family is now calling for justice for Fabian.
Pagdusahan niya din yun. Kung anong nangyari sa anak ko, kabagay kahit 10 beses pa siyang mamatay, hindi na may babalik yung buhay ng anak ko. Kaya, kung may Diyos man tayo, bahala ng Panginoon.
The incident happened in the early hours of Tuesday. Fabian was supposed to drop off his passenger in Kaunlaran Village, Caloocan, but instead of receiving payment for the ride, he was stabbed by his passenger. The motorcycle rider suffered a fatal stab wound to his side. The suspect was immediately arrested. Fabian is the second motorcycle taxi rider to be killed by a passenger within the week. The incident has raised public concern over safety, despite the Philippine National Police statement that the country's crime rate continues to decline.
Mas ligtas po ang Pilipinas ngayon as compared to the previous periods. Pero this is small consolation. Naintindihan po natin na this is small consolation po kung hindi po ito ang ating nararamdaman. Medyo nakikita lang po natin, siyempre mga sensational yung mga nangyayari. Pero yung statistics po natin talaga, pababa po talaga yung krimen.
Ryan Lesigas for The Nation.